The top 5% of XRP holders could become very rich if the price of XRP goes up by 257% from where it is now. Since Donald Trump won the presidential elections in the United States in November 2024, XRP has been surging in the market. Before it hit its highest price of $3.39, XRP was around 50 cents. In only 1 month, this led to an amazing rise of 520%, making XRP the fastest growing asset during the surge under Trump. The number of wallets for XRP is increasing. As more new buyers want to join in, the process of bringing them onto the network has increased. By the end of October 2024, there were about 5.36 million XRP wallets, according to data from an XRP rich list site. It's interesting that this number has now grown to 5 million, getting closer to 6 million. This means that XRP has gained over 557,000 new addresses in just 3 months. This means that since the end of October 2024, about 6,188 new wallets have been made each day on average. Even so, just a few of the 5.917 million wallets hold large amounts of XRP coin. Recent on-chain data shows that the top 10 XRP addresses, made up of 519,711 wallets, each hold at least 2,578 tokens, which are currently valued at $7,295. This information is based on the value of the tokens. As of now, the top 5% of buyers own a total of 9,679 XRP, with each XRP priced at $10. If this low value stays about the same, a rise in XRP's price could make everyone in the top 10 addresses rich. Many experts are being optimistic about the price of XRP, with some predicting it could reach as high as $10. In November last year, Eduardo Farina from XRP Healthcare said that he believes XRP could reach a price of $10. He pointed out 10 factors that could help achieve this price. In a recent analysis that was performed this month, market expert Melius also predicted that the price of XRP will be $10. For XRP to reach $10, it would only take a 257% increase in price from its present level of $3. If everything goes well, the minimum sum of the top 10 XRP holders, which is currently 2,578 tokens, would increase to $25,780. The lowest amount needed to be in the top 5% would rise from about 9,679 XRP to 96,790 during this time. The minimum sum for the top 1% is currently 55,728 tokens. It's important to remember that as the price of XRP goes up, the minimum amount needed for each level of holders decreases. Investors have been slowly selling their XRP during a profit-taking period, which has caused this situation. For example, the lowest amount in the top 10% of the company. If banks decide to use XRP for large deals, then a price of $110,000 per unit might actually be possible, not just a dream. It is a sign of a major change in how we use cash. More people are talking about XRP potentially reaching $10,000 soon, especially because it may be involved with digital currencies from central banks. The Federal Reserve has recognized that XRP can be used worldwide according to ISO 4217 standards, which will start in the US by the end of 2024. This supports the idea that there is potential for XRP's use. The data shows how much this has changed. Today's discussion is not just about price guesses, it highlights the history and possible outcome of the ongoing talks between the SEC and Ripple Labs. A long court battle might be settled soon. If this happens, it could lead to a big increase in XRP's market value as more uses for it emerge. We are ready to share the exact papers and information about the settlement offer made to the CEO of Ripple Lab, which could be approved soon. We are not just suggesting things about these events. Settlement plans have been important in the past. Especially because Judge Torres has ordered a settlement without going to court by November 9, 2023. This date put a lot of pressure on everyone involved, leading the SEC to hold an urgent meeting to talk about issues like settling with institutions and resolving lawsuits. The SEC offered RI Labs a huge settlement of $770 million to resolve the case. But Ripple proved their determination by rejecting it. After this development, Ripple Labs got a second settlement offer of $2 million, which was much smaller than the first one. Crypto lawyer John Deaton believes that Ripple will probably accept this lower offer, which might mean the court fight with the SEC is coming to an end. President Joe Biden's willingness to sign an executive order could greatly affect XRP and other cryptocurrency. This has changed how people talk about XRP. This executive order is just the beginning of our detailed discussion today. We will look closely at whether XRP could reach the widely talked about $10,000 mark. We will also examine the recent increase in market activity, which has risen by an impressive 10% in the 24 hours following President Biden's important executive order. This quickening pace shows that the order wants to help the Federal Reserve use XRP worldwide according to the ISO 4217 standard, which is supported by independent study. A settlement plan asking Ripple Labs to agree to end their legal fight with the SEC came up right after this. This case is significant, especially because the CEO mentioned that U.S. banks are interested in using XRP after their legal issues with the SEC. Ripple has agreed to pay $20 million to settle the lawsuit from the SEC and put an end to the case. If the case is successful, the Federal Reserve may change how it uses XRP, which could result in more transactions. Martinez believes this rise could push XRP's price over $15, which is 5 times more than its current price. XRP recently went above $3 for the first time in 7 years and just a few days ago tried the resistance level of $3.40. This is an important new discovery. Martinez's positive outlook was boosted by the latest strong trend. Martinez's reply to the complaints. Not all experts share Martinez's optimism. Tribal Trader, who supports cryptocurrencies, questioned whether the $15 estimate is realistic.